NASA's OSIRIS-RX spacecraft is nearing Earth, carrying an asteroid sample it collected from the near-Earth asteroid Bennu. This marks NASA's first time collecting and returning an asteroid sample from space. The sample is expected to drop down into the Utah desert on September 24, 2023. OSIRIS-RX collected approximately 8.8 ounces, about 1 cup, of material from Bennu. This material, along with a previously returned sample from Japan's Hayabusa 2 mission, is expected to provide insights into the early solar system's formation. The capsule carrying the asteroid sample will enter Earth's atmosphere at a speed of about 27,650 miles per hour and will be slowed down by parachutes for a gentle landing at 11 miles per hour. Recovery teams will be prepared to retrieve the capsule once it's safe. The sample will then be transported to NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston for analysis, and details about the sample will be revealed to the public on October 11. OSIRIS-RX, which stands for Origins, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security, Regolith Explorer, is NASA's first asteroid sample return mission. It began its journey in 2016, orbited Bennu in 2018, collected the sample in 2020, and is now returning to Earth. The spacecraft is also set to study another asteroid, Apophis, in 2029. The asteroid sample is expected to provide valuable insights into the history of our solar system and the role of asteroids in forming habitable planets like Earth. About 70% of the sample will be preserved for future generations to study with advanced technology. This mission represents years of meticulous planning, rehearsal, and preparation by NASA and its partners.